From the Carl Chevrolet Studios in West Des Moines, happy Friday, everybody. Hope you're ready to get out and enjoy the weekend. And yeah, I know it's cold and it's dreary outside, but what's that going to force you to do? That's going to force you to spend a little more time inside, isn't it? Yeah. How about maybe a little cuddle time? But maybe a little cuddle time brings on a little anxiety, gentlemen. Well, we have somebody here that's going to be able to correct that anxiety because Andrew Rinehart from Valley View Medical Clinic is joining us, and he has a solution for what might bring on that anxiety. Hi, Andrew.
Hello, Lou. How you doing today?
Great. We're getting ready to spend a little more time indoors with the weather we're having here on the outdoors. But we mentioned that maybe guys might be a little anxious at this time because in the bedroom things aren't going so well. But you can fix that.
Oh, yes. And so many men, we're talking about ED, by the way, erectile dysfunction. So many men are anxious over this. In fact, data says that a man with erectile dysfunction can have higher levels of anxiety. We do not want that. Well, Valley View Medical Clinic, I believe we have a major medical breakthrough. It's not a pill. It's called acoustic wave therapy. Basically, this technology uses pressure waves that go through the skin into the blood vessels, causing the damaged blood vessels to open up and regrow. That is a beautiful thing. More blood flow in the bedroom, where you want it, when you want it, without the use of pills.
How about that? You said the damaged blood vessels will open up and then regrow. So they're actually mending. And we have another illustration here because what happens is when they reopen, you're getting more nutrients to every portion of the vessel, right?
That's right. And one of the leading causes of ED is damaged blood vessels, so kind of clogged in a way. And you're right, we go in, we repair the blood vessels with the pressure waves. It's a quick 15-minute session, by the way, that doesn't hurt. And the blood vessels rejuvenate, kind of like what we do to a muscle in the gym. We build the muscle up stronger. We're doing that to the blood vessels.
Now, how many times does it take normally for someone, how many sessions does it take before they'll see a noticeable difference?
A lot of guys do a treatment and notice a difference. But
Really?
Here's the whole package. Yes, it does happen. It's a few treatments, worst case scenario, though, over a couple of weeks. So the window is very small. Guys get treated quickly. Just imagine, what would your life look like if the spark came back into the bedroom in the next couple weeks?
It's almost like you're turning the clock back for a lot of situations, isn't it?
It really is. Yeah, a man in his younger years didn't really have to worry about the pill or performance anxiety. That wasn't a thing. We want to get you back to that where you can get spontaneity back.
Right. Now, you mentioned in their younger days. What's the average age that you see folks in your clinic?
Well, we treat men from age 20 to 90, but I would say average 40 to 70. This can really happen to anybody. Erectile dysfunction is normal. It's the way we age. It's the American diet. You know, none of this is helping us, but it's normal, and we see men of just about every age.
I'm glad you said that. So this is something that happens to a lot of individuals, and not only does it affect the guy, it affects the couples that are involved.
It certainly does.
You want to make sure we take advantage of that.
You're exactly right.
All right. Now, how about we take advantage of something else? How about a special offer that Valley View Medical Clinic has right now that you'll want to pay attention to, everybody?
That's right. We know ED is a sensitive topic. So if you or your man are struggling, grab your phone, give us a quick call before this segment ends. The exam assessment, even the blood flow ultrasound, if you can believe it, it's totally free. And this gift, rapid results in the bedroom in minutes. You'll love it. Hundreds of dollars in value. Call us now. It's all no charge.
And give them a call right now at 515-300-5555. That number, 515-300-5555. It's in the Pleasant Hill Health Plaza, right off the bypass on University. Very easy to find, and you can get there in minutes from anywhere around the Des Moines area. And you mentioned, Andrew, it only takes, about 10, 15 minutes in-house. And when are you open? When is Valley View Medical Clinic open?
We are open Monday through Saturday, so we can get you in 6 days a week doing treatments, consultations. We're open all those days.
Right, and we talked about how many different results and how many different things in the past that have tried. You have so many clinical results that have proven this effort, and if you go to valleyviewmedicalclinic.com, you can see a whole list of them there, can't you?
Yeah, that's right. 60 clinical studies. This is from 5 countries. We're talking about universities and hospitals that have called this the new standard of care for erectile dysfunction. And I believe that. Welcome to the future. The pill is a thing of the past.
What great news that is for everybody. So maybe if guys take advantage of this and couples take advantage of this, these cold and dreary days, you can look forward to those cold and dreary days when the weather people tell you that you need to go inside for a while.
Yeah, that's that's a great point. Couples spend more time together. The relationship gets healthier, and I think even overall happiness improves.
That is great. It's the happiness ripple effect, as Andrew says. Yeah, Andrew, you have a very great weekend, and we will talk to you next time.
Thanks, Larry. You too.